Welcome to this detailed walkthrough on adjusting the position of content or text in your WordPress cover block. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through your WordPress dashboard, choose the necessary options, and ultimately change both the positioning of your text and the cover image itself. Let us begin by opening your WordPress website. Start by launching your web browser and entering the address for your WordPress site. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the site where you will see the option to log in. After clicking on the login option, you will be guided to sign in. In this process, a convenient authentication method is available if you prefer to log in with a Google account instead. Simply choose the Continue with Google option and pick the account you normally use to access your WordPress site. This step simplifies the login process and ensures that you are able to quickly verify your identity. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to the Quick Links section of your dashboard. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Edit Site. Selecting this option will open the site editor, which is where the adjustments to your cover block will be made. Look around the site editor for the plus icon located at the top left corner. Clicking this plus icon allows you to add additional blocks to your page, and it will bring up a search field for finding the block type you need. In the search field, simply type the word cover. You will see a list of block options appear that are related to cover content. From the list that appears, choose the cover block option. This block is designed specifically to help you add a full-width cover image along with text overlay options, which can be positioned according to your design preferences. After adding the cover block to your page, you need to select an image for your background. To do this, click on the option that allows you to access the media library from within the cover block settings. The media library is where all of your uploaded images are stored. Scroll through your library and choose the image that best suits your design needs. Once you have selected the appropriate image, click the Select button to confirm your choice and apply the image as your cover. Next, you will be prompted to add your desired text on top of the cover image. Type in the customized text that you would like to appear. This text might include headings, slogans, or any other information you wish to highlight. Once you are satisfied with the text that has been entered, move on to the appearance settings to adjust its position. Explore the alignment settings by clicking on the Align Text option. This will present you with a few alignment choices such as left, right, or center. Select the appropriate option that fits the overall layout you are aiming to achieve. Adjusting the text alignment helps ensure that your content is both visually appealing and easy to read. If you decide you want to change the cover image after making the initial selection, simply click on the cover block itself. This action will allow you to replace the current image. After clicking on the block, locate and press the Replace button, then select the new photo that you wish to use from the media library. Following these steps will update the cover image and complete the tutorial on how to change content or text positioning in the WordPress cover block. Enjoy your newly designed cover section on your website.